Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today's tutorial is on how to make this lovely dress and the cutting of the sleeve. This particular style you are seeing on the screen is based on 8 pieces for the down part. This is 8 pieces and this is half cut. And half cut plus the 8 pieces skirt, so which make it a dress. You can see it, and the sleeve is what we are going to cut out today. I'm going to teach you how to cut this particular sleeve, but this particular dress you are seeing is very simple. It's the combination of the half cut and 8 pieces. When you cut out 8 pieces skirt, but you don't start from the waist here, from the band here, you start from the waist. The cutting of your 8 pieces will start from the waist. So after cutting it out, turning it with the lining, then you cut out the half cut. The half cut, it depends on the measurements you are dealing with. There is 14 for the half cut, there is 15, there is 16 inches. So it depends on the measurements you have. So after cutting out the half cut with the breast cut, this particular half cut has breast cut. So when you cut out the half cut, then you join it to the 6 pieces. That will make it a dress. So after you cut out the half cut with the breast cut, you turn it, you do everything, then you join the 8 pieces high waist skirt to it. So that will make it a dress like this. Then what we are going to look at today is the sleeve. How this particular sleeve being done. So now, after when you cut this sleeve, this particular sleeve, cut it out, then you cut this like a wing. You cut it on it. So I will teach you how to cut it now. So let's go to the cutting section. So now this is what I'm using for the sleeve. For the carambole part of it, I'm using this to cut it out. So now I'm starting with the cutting of the sleeve first. When you are dealing with your fabric, you fold it into 2 first. Then into 4. Like this. This is into 4. But mind you, the wideness depends on the measurements you are dealing with. So now I'm going to measure the length of the sleeve. Yeah, I'm using 15 for the length of the sleeve. 15, yeah. So from 15, I'll cut it out like this. So before you cut, you measure here for the roundness of the sleeve. So my own hardness of the sleeve is 14, and you know 7 into 2 it gives us 14. So with the seam allowance of 1 inch, 16. So I'm cutting it out now. So here is the sleeve. You can see it. So into 4 gives us 2 sleeve for the both hand. So now I'm keeping this aside. Then this is the parabolic part of it. So if you want that particular shape to come out very well, you should use scuba for the cutting. But you can turn the scuba with the lining. So now I'm using scuba to cut it out. If you check it very well, it looks like a round shape. So I'll cut it like a fillet. Depending on how many pieces you want. You can see this is into 2. So now this is into 2 first, then into 4, like this. Then from that into 4, I'm folding it, making into 8. So I'm using this particular part for the cutting. So now I'm going to cut out my circle from here. So it depends on the length. If you check the style very well, you can see the carambolic part of it started from the shoulder to where it ends here. You can see it. So the length from here to here is 13 inches. From here to here is 13 inches. So that's what I'm going to do here too. So it depends on the person you are going to sew the cloth for. So you just have to measure it for you to know the length you are cutting it out. So let's get to the cutting section. So 13 divided by 2 for 6.5 inches. So this is my 6.5 inches. So 6.5 inches here too. Six and a half inches here too. So I'm going to join my sketch. So now I'll cut it out. So after folding it into 8, so I could only get these 2. So now these 2 now. So let me show you the shape. You can see it. So for it to look exactly like that, you have to trim it. You measure the center. It's 13. 6. So when you measure the center, this is 6.5 inches. After then you trim it down like this. You can see this particular side is different from this one. So you can see this. So you have to trim it very well so that it will look exactly like the one on the screen. This is the center, don't forget. From the center, you slant it like this. You slant it from the center to have a sharp edge here, like this. So from the center too, you cut out up to like ½ inch for the shape to come out very well like this. You can see this particular area and this area, they are not the same thing. So this is a slant shape and this is a round shape. This edge and this edge, they are not the same thing at all. So when you open it, you will see what I'm talking about. You can see the shape. So by the time you turn this particular fabric with a lining, either using taffeta or any other lining, when you stay it, then you turn it to lining, it's going to stand like the one on the screen. Then you fold it like this. So here is the sleeve. So you fold this into two like this. Then you place it at the center of the sleeve like this. It will start from this edge. So the sharp area will be at the down part, and the cuff area will be here at the upper part. So you can see they are not equal. So by the moment you turn the sleeve in, when you turn in the sleeve, after sewing, they will be equal. So when you check out this particular edge on the screen very well, you can see there is a trimming on the edge. On these edges, there's a trimming at the edges there, and that particular trimming was the one is being made on the fabric here to make a design like this. So you can decide to put trimmings here also at the edges. So now this is where your trimmings is going to be, at this edge, just to beautify these. So now this is the end of the cutting of the sleeve. So thank you for watching. Watch out for the other tutorial as well, which is going to be based on the different kind of sleeves to cut, then the explanation of the body. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Bye.